Hey guys, it's your girl Candy coming back to you with another video, and this is a very informal video. It's somewhat of a chit chat update video, just to give you a little channel update to tell you guys what direction the channel will be going into. Some of you who have been here from the get-go, from the beginning stage, from day one, my day one people, you guys know that the channel started off as a natural hair channel primarily, and somewhere along the line I pretty much stopped recording for a couple of years, I would say. I believe it was a couple of years that I stopped recording for a number of reasons, and I won't make excuses for it. It was a little bit of a mixture of being lackadaisical, one, two, feeling that my circumstances were not ideal, my environment wasn't ideal, the lighting wasn't good, the space was too small. You name the excuse, I had them for not, following through and doing these natural hair videos. And so I stopped for a while, and then I, was inspired by my husband to to resume recording, because he knows that I have a lot to offer, and there is, this outlet available for me to do it. And the circumstances might not be ideal right now, but you have to start somewhere, right? So I decided to start back the channel, but I kind of shifted a little bit from the initial all natural hair focus, and I decided to switch it a little bit and to include braiding videos, protective style videos, because that is really what I do professionally. That's what I do, and I find myself wearing protective styles a lot more. And so there really isn't that many videos that I can do, or I don't really have that much to offer by way of, natural hair content, because of the fact that my hair is always, or most times, as you can see, it's in a protective style. Most times it's in a protective style. And so because of that, sometimes you just do not have the available content to keep your channel current and, pretty much always bringing out information and stuff for you guys. So I decided to, include braiding videos. And a lot of people know, a lot of naturals now are, you know, moving towards wearing a lot of braids and stuff. And a lot of people are looking to learn how to braid. A lot of people are looking to do their own hair. A lot of people do not have the convenience of a proficient braider in their geographical area that they are, and so they have to do it themselves. So I thought it would be helpful, for you guys to get this type of video, in addition to, of course, the natural hair video that I also put out. So, even recently I posted my favorite DIY deep conditioner video that you guys can check out. So I'm still doing stuff of that nature, but it will be more of a mix. And I also ventured and, took the brave step of doing Vlogmas this past December. So I was vlogging for the entire month of December for the most part. I slip up here and there, but for the most part, I was vlogging for the entire December. And a lot of you guys were requesting that I continue to vlog. And so I'm going to try also to incorporate a lot more vlogs. Well, let me take that back. Let me not over promise and then under deliver. Is that a word? Or is the other way around? Under promise and over deliver? Whatever. Let me not put my hat where I can't reach it. So let me just say I will try to continue to vlog. I cannot promise you that I will have a vlog every week, but I will try to vlog every time there's something interesting enough to capture. Fair enough. Fair enough. So yeah, so there will be that. There will be natural hair content. There will be protective styling or braid type content. There will be the vlogs, and I will have some self-help type videos where I, show you guys hacks, little DIY stuff and all of that razzle dazzle stuff. And anything my mind tells me that would be helpful for you guys. But yeah, the channel will be more comprehensive. It will include way more variety than it did in the past. But I promise you guys that um as much as it depends on me, that I will stick and stay with my postings. I am aiming to post twice a week. I'm thinking of Wednesdays and Saturdays. As to what I will post on what day, I'm not gonna say, well, I'm gonna post a hair video every Wednesday or a hair video every Saturday and then a vlogs. And no, but just know that those 2 days I'm aiming to post. So if you have or not already, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you are subscribed, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can get immediate notification when I post. All right. And go ahead, you guys, and make any suggestions, for videos that you would like to see from me, and what you'd like to hear from me, and anything that you might want to know about me. I will try to do one of those videos also, a Q&A. If I get questions, I will go ahead and do a Q&A video. I might do an assumption video because I enjoy watching those videos, you guys. So I'm not sure if I will enjoy doing them as much as I enjoy watching them, but yeah. But anywho, you guys, I think that is it for the channel update. What else do I have to share by way of update? Yeah, that should be it. Just to let what the channel, which direction the channel will be going in, when I will be posting, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to, like I said, share the information with your friends, share the videos, and like the video, comment on the video, and stay tuned for the next one. All right. Thank you.